Welcome to Pressure Fiesta 2015 in Bahadur Institute of Management Science. We have many interesting activities, performance,
So it has been a
and meet the
customary practice in our
pressure.
department. Since the department came into existence in 1974, to have these two functions. One is freshers party, the other one is the send-off party, which has been given at the end. And as you know, MBA is a course in which you learn more outside the classroom. Instill in yourself the skills of coordinating an event, the skills of your communication, the skills of your leadership. Now, these kinds of an event are definitely a kind of a stage where you get a lot of confidence with respect to all these skills. I think the final years have taken a lot of pain if I just go through the kind of arrangements that they have made. Actually, I am surprised by the second year's gesture, in the sense, when the two young ladies started their campaigning, I just thought that yes, they are at a level where an MBA, a business school should be. Because over the years I was just looking into a dip in the performance, but now they have taken it up forward. And I think if this is any indication, this party is going to be a real success, I hope. I just feel that you all should actively participate in events like this, and there is a greater onus on you, because this being a centenary year, you need to think about many more events like this. This is a customary event, and you could even organize many more events that would make our University of Mysore proud of our department. Thank you very much for your attention.
Welcome you all. I won't take much time. I believe our senior faculty will speak to you. Welcome you all.
For your kind words. Now I request Professor Shivraj B to
We have already spoken to you enough. We don't want to come in between your entertainment programs. Go ahead, enjoy yourself. Today is a very joyous occasion for you. There are so many people who work to make this occasion very, very colorful, interesting, including the food. Okay? Good food is ready. Enjoy. And once again, welcome the juniors.
Thank you, sir. That was really motivating. Now I would like to invite Professor Asham Shareed to address the gathering.
Esteemed faculty and your friends, you see, this is like a second serving of the dessert. We've already had one. We welcomed you. This is a repeat, an act of repetition, welcoming you to Bahadur Institute. Well, I welcome you all, both first years and the second years, to today's freshers party. I know the host is the Management Association. I welcome the second years. First years we've already done. The second years I welcome for more than one reason. One, to act as good role models to the first years. Two, handhold them wherever it is required. Many of them are new to this place. I think it is your onus and responsibility to help them out It could be with housing, it could be with their vehicle license, it could be with knowing the in and out of our infrastructure, it could be, getting to know more details about this program. Be with them. Give them a helping hand. Today, I'd like to forget my age. I'd like to be a part of you. Full of fun and frolic. Let us enjoy. Have a
It is proposed competition.
Starts now from number 1.
It was last year when I I heard that you're in Beam, and that's why I joined Beam. You know, Beams is nothing for me. All Beam is nothing for me, but it's you. And I heard that you broke up with your boyfriend. And as you know, I'm single. And this long relationship, as I have, I don't know about you, if you can feel my heart.
Okay, 1 minute out. Thank you.
ಕನ್ನಡ ರೋಮಾಂಚನವಿದು ಕನ್ನಡ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
That's right. Kannada Romanchanavi Kannada. This song is played because the Kannadigas are requesting for Kannada song. That's why. The Kannada Mannanu Maribeda Abhimani. Next contestant 10. You are familiar with which song?
Actually, I'm not familiar with any sign, but I will ask from the audience. Which sign you like?
Kannada. How you sing? See, she don't know Galiya song, but she sang a song. Teri Galiya. Like that, you have to sing. Kannada.
My singer is they are here. They dance on board.
Oh, like that. Nana? No, he's saying that he will say the two words and you have to recognize them. You just want to help him. No, as you just now helped him, the Romanchanavi Kannada like that.
Hello?
This Mr. Ten is supposed to tell 2 words. Later you have to sing.
Tamanatu.
Romanchak!
Namachari.
My dear audience, help him. Thank you, Mr. Ten. Next contestant, number 3. Hollywood, Bollywood, Sandalwood, Tollywood. Hollywood. Number 3, 2 pause. Sing. Sing.
sing?
Thank you, Zula. Thank you, number 3. It's a Bazigar, oh Bazigar, tu hai bada jadugar. That's all. Next contestant, 16. Hindi.
Bollywood movies.
Bollywood movies. Okay. Tasim.
मैं तेनो समझा के मैं तेरे देने लगे मैं तेनो न की जाके मैं ते
He got it, he got it. Thank you, Kasim.
मैं तेनो समझावागी मैं तेरे बिना लगे तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करूँ इंतजार तेरा तो दिल मेरा.
Thank you, number 16. Now please welcome number 7. Another song. Santi. She got it. 2 points, number 7. 2 points. Thank you. Now the last contestant, number 2. Which song? Huh? Hollywood. Zulam. Please welcome.
Years old and graduated from my high school, and my family wanted me to join my college, but it was very difficult for me to be more dependent on my family, and somehow I had to work and I wanted to work. It's very dangerous situation in my country, like for me, because I joined American military forces as an interpreter, and that was a dangerous job for me, which my family was not supporting me to do that. So somehow I handled myself like I was thinking it is better to be independent. I didn't want it to be dependent on my family's budget or money. So that's why I took this decision to do this work, and I did for 2 years.
very good, thank you.
Next.
I think you come from Iran, right? Okay, it's going to be a little sensitive question though. I know you guys don't share a good rapport, you and Iran. So how do you think that you can bridge the gap between Iran and Iraq?
Actually, we have some strong relation between Iranian and Arabian people, because the majority of the Iranian population that is Shia, not Muslim, and just 5% are from different cultures.
So we can expect the culture. So there can be the link between the Iran and Arab and Iranian population and Arabian population. Actually, Iranian and Arabian, they don't have any problem. Iranian, they have a problem with Arab government. I mean, ex-Arab government, Saddam Hussein. So I don't think we have any problem. All we are human, all we have a same soul, and we have a belief in humanity.
Okay, given a chance to get married to an Indian girl and settle down in India, would you?
Actually, I'm married.
You're married?
My wife is here. I will tell you, because if you want to settle in
We
India...
don't give you a second chance, but to get back in thinking...
No, I tell you, because if... in the beginning I told, I'm a legal graduate. So anybody could be in India, the man gets to the lady can get in and settle in India. Because as you know, the domicile will come from the husband to the wife. So if they want to get the domicile of India, the lady should be married to the gents.
So, but you're ready anyways.
No.
What is the most important thing in relationship?
I think the love and mutual understanding.
Thank you. Hi. What is the best thing about you?
Best thing about me? Very tricky question. What I think is best about me is my ability to understand things properly. Like, I don't judge people fast. And I believe that trying to understand things is very important, because if you make a decision very quickly, this can affect you in different ways in any field that you are, maybe in your academic decision or in your career or even at home. So I think that the way I try, I'm not perfect at it, but the way I try to keep calm and understand things before taking a decision is the best thing about me. And I still need to improve this, but yeah, I think this is the best thing.
Thank you.
One aspect of Mysore that you like?
The temperature. Definitely the temperature. I've been to India last year. I've been to Delhi, Agra and Kashmir, which are fabulous places, but then Delhi was very polluted. Each time I would get home, I had to use wipes and wash my shoes every day. But here the temperature is very nice. Even the people here, the environment itself is very different, very nice. Like, it's quite similar. The temperature is quite similar to Mauritius actually, the trees and everything. It's like, I don't feel homesick here. I miss home, of course, I miss my parents, but I'm not like every day, what am I doing here? I need to go. No, I love it. Good place to live.
Thank you.
Can you differentiate between infatuation and love?
Infatuation is something that is temporary, probably relates with lust. It's just the outer attire that attracts you. That's what I feel is infatuation. And love is something that is intoxicating, something that doesn't end at all.
Which I should never do. That is one thing. And it's just that I do not get indulged with people in that. So that's one thing. Precisely finding what is
Do you want to overcome what you just said?
Definitely, I would love to.
Okay, so you want to go talk to people?
Yes, definitely. Love to.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, sir.
What is a perfect, who is a perfect manager according to you? And what is the quality you possess to become a perfect manager?
A manager is nothing but a good leader who leads his team in a proper manner. So a manager should be like friendly with colleagues also. No one should think he is in manager post and we are workers, but there will be in some jobs there will be a disturbance which employees cannot talk to him as a directly. So manager should be friendly with all
Okay, what
colleagues.
is the quality you possess to become a manager?
Are you friendly to people?
Manager should be also a boss.
What you possess?
I would go like a boss
You want to become a boss
in a manager position.
in a manager position. Thank you.
Brother, I just wanted to see Lord Krishna of Mahabharata to know about managing. Just a small suggestion from my your senior. Thank you.
Hi. What is beauty according to you? Beauty according to you.
My outlook?
Only the outlook.
Okay.
No, I'm asking you. Is it only the
I'm
outlook?
asking my outlook or
No, I'm just asking according to you, what is beauty?
Define.
how I define beauty? For me, I cannot say the outlook of person is not necessary. I cannot say, but the first thing that I like, that I love in people, in person, the beauty that when I talk friendly and smiling, like friendly and good heart, like kind person. I find it beauty, really.
Thank you.
Okay guys, thank you so much. You all really spoke well. And now we are waiting for our results.
Final results. Why? Because they have scheduled from 5 p.m.
Really, it can help to divert and also it can be used to drive away dogs. Dogs are stray dogs so that after me or anything I can drive them away with it. And then I think what I can do with it, I can use it in my house. It can be used instead of
Still you have
Any actions you would like to do with it?
time up.
It's up!
I'm in your position. I will use it like the father of nation Gandhiji used to come like this in this stick by using this stick.
Better utilization of the prop, guys.
Thank you. Now, number 10.
Good afternoon. Just in the beginning, I want to ask whether you have any nephew or any kids or any small brother or sister. So I want to introduce you a new product which we have. We are calling as a balloon, which is not taking too much space. You can hold anytime in your pocket, and at the time you can surprise the kids. After popping the air inside the balloon, you can give it to the kids and they can play. And if you want to make them cry, just you should push it. After that, she or he will cry. So I don't want to offer you to do this thing. But if you have a spunky Swiss in your neck, you can use as a good tool to make them nervous. Thank you.
Still you have 10 seconds.
Oh, I have 10 seconds.
It's okay. Leave.
Thank
You
you.
can also use this for your celebration, for decoration, for all.
Everything. This is a multiple use.
Thank you. Are you ready? Number 7. What you have?
And I heard I'm from Coorg. You know, Coorg is famous for hunting and all the festivals or anything it is we use gun. In the sense, you know, we pray for the gun as a, we pray the weapons. we celebrate Ayudha Puja. We do puja for this, and whenever the baby is born or whenever someone is expired, we use this gun. We shoot the sky. 2 shoots when someone is expired and 1 shoot when someone is born. Okay. And for girls, especially for girls, when they get married, they'll gift a gun to her guy. I mean, to become her husband. Okay, that's something cultural thing. Okay, it's kept from the long back. And gun, as self-protection. Someone comes and guns and attacks on me, I can save myself,
Time up.
Thank you.
Thank you. Actually, you are from Kodua. You have to say that the most of the Koduvas or army men, they use these guns. You're supposed to say that. Oh, that's nice. Number 1, step forward. A Pathan.
Hello everyone. I've been given a sword. If it were a knife, I could have used it for something that women are best.
Guys, please maintain silence.
Yeah, if this was a small one, probably if it was a knife, I would have used it for something very creative that women are the best at. That's food art. But as it's a big one, I would say that I would use this. We all know that women are facing huge issues these days. Just on Saturday there was an issue in Bangalore that it shows how unsafe women are even after so much of police security and all that. So what I want to do is put an end to all these evils, save the women from all these evils.
Thank you, number 1.
So now, next contestant is Tuan.
Check.
In my hand, I have sari. It is not the sentence or a word which there is nothing to say about sari, because it is not a thing that we use daily or throw somewhere, but it is a thing which a woman sees in a beautiful thing that shows in daily days, like our mothers or our sisters, all the women, even lovers, wives, all the women who wear this thing, and they will seen very beautifully. Rather than this saree, none other than other dresses are really, according to me, it is a waste thing. Saree shows the Indian culture, very highlighting. Really, we should feel proud about the saree. I think all girls are love saree. Thank you, Nandal.
Thank you.
Even boys wear for dance, I think. Now, contestant number 16.
मैंने सुना है कि मिम्स ऑडिटोरियम में बहुत गर्मी है, इसीलिए पेश करता हूँ रील्स ऑफ टिश्यू पेपर्स। और इधर तो एसी भी नहीं है, एसी का क्या करोगे? सिर्फ 5 रुपए में एक टिश्यू पेपर ले लो।
सिर्फ एक 5 रुपए का है।
सिर्फ एक।
Very costly. You mean the bundle or just one? One.
Because everybody need it, no?
Oh my God, very costly it is.
Demand.
That was my advertisement. If you like it.
Thank you.
20 seconds. Still you have 30 seconds.
It was a short advertisement, so the message, I have to convey the message.
But it's not an advertisement, it's a part to do your task.
Better utilization of whatever you have. Thank you. It was nice. Thank you.
Next contestant? 6, number 6.
clothing design, and because of that, I wanted to show you like probably a side Martika with this things. Thank you.
You are willing to dance a Hindi song? Yeah. You have still 20 seconds. Please play the Hindi song. Actually, she was asking me for a dance. Oh, that was a break. She is getting ready. Music.
तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी, तू ही मेरा तू ही तो मन्नत मेरी, तू ही तू ही अखियों की ठंडक, तू ही दिल की दस्तक, कुछ ना जानेगा बस।
Thank you, Namaste. It was wonderful, wonderful. Number 11.
Hello everyone. This is one thing which keeps you really updated about the law and how about your daily life.
Silent please. Backstreet Boys. So Vikas, please check the mics.
Hello everyone. I think you all are familiar with the newspaper. Every day you would see your father or mother holding this newspaper and killing a lot of time studying this newspaper, turning all pages around. This newspaper have everything, right from the politics, state news, international news, sports news. This newspaper, in fact, serves as a documentary evidence. When you see any amendments, if the government has to change any amendments or something of that sort, they have to publish a notice in that. That is a mandatory custom. Since this 21st century, the people are born with technology, smartphones have been replacing this. But I would definitely doubt to what extent they would be able to. Still, you go approach any lecturer, they would definitely suggest you to go through the newspaper once. Since for any exams, anything, any competitive exams, this serves you as in one easy way